Welcome to the Blue Team series. In the previous video, we covered log management and security monitoring. This video focuses on threat intelligence, a discipline that helps defenders anticipate threats, understand attacker behavior, and strengthen defenses before attacks succeed. Threat intelligence is the collection, analysis, and interpretation of information about cyber threats and attacker activity. It covers various aspects, from malware and ransomware groups to exploited vulnerabilities. Ultimately, it enables faster detection, improved operations, and stronger security visibility. A core concept is the difference between indicators of compromise, or IOCs, and indicators of attack, or IOAs. IOCs are evidence of a system already being compromised, like malicious IPs and file hashes. IOAs focus on attacker behavior and techniques, such as PowerShell abuse or privilege escalation, which remain consistent even if tools change. Threat feeds are external sources of threat intelligence data integrated into a security stack. They provide malicious IPs, malware signatures, and vulnerability data. These feeds integrate with SIEM and EDR systems. Remember that feeds must be carefully validated to avoid false positives and alert fatigue. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is crucial for threat investigations and incident response. It involves collecting intelligence from publicly available sources like social media, forums, and public databases. OSINT helps identify phishing domains, malicious infrastructure, and communication channels. Threat actor profiling is about understanding adversaries' motivations, capabilities, targets, and techniques. This knowledge helps defenders build more targeted detection rules, prioritize relevant threats, and anticipate the adversary's next moves. Threat intelligence follows a structured, repeatable life cycle to transform raw data into actionable knowledge. The four main stages are plan and requirements, collect data, process data, and analyze and share. This ensures the intelligence is relevant, timely, and actionable. Modern security operations center teams use threat intelligence across all layers of their operations. This includes threat hunting, detection engineering, incident response, and risk assessment. By embedding intelligence, teams transform raw data into a defensive advantage. The big idea is that threat intelligence transforms cybersecurity from reactive to proactive defense, enabling organizations to anticipate threats. Key takeaways include the difference between IOCs and IOAs, the use of threat feeds and OSINT, threat actor profiling, and the intelligence lifecycle. The goal is to develop an intelligence-driven defender mindset that anticipates threats rather than simply reacting. The next video will focus on alert triage and incident prioritization, one of the most critical operational responsibilities inside a modern society.